राइट। अब जैसे सर मुझे मिले तो सर ने मुझे पूछा आपको मैथ्स के बारे में कुछ पता, मैंने कहा यस सर, साइन 2a 2 साइन a cos a 2 टेंजेंट अपॉन 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर a cos 2a cos स्क्वायर a माइनस साइन स्क्वायर a sin 3a 3 sin a माइनस 4 sin क्यूब a प्लस b टू 4 a टू 4 4 a क्यूब b 6 a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर प्लस 4 a b क्यूब प्लस b टू 4 ncr n फैक्टोरियल n माइनस r फैक्टोरियल इनटू r फैक्टोरियल 0 इज इक्वल टू 1, है ना। 1 plus x to n, 1 plus nx n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x square and so on, binomial expansion, right?
प्लस वन का सारा मैथमेटिक्स
है ना। then ddx of x degree is pi upon 180, ddx of sine x degree cos x degree pi upon 180, है ना। so sir has asked me so many questions, कहते आप फिजिक्स भी पढ़ा लेते हैं, मैं कहा y equal to x tan theta minus आप g x square u square secant square theta, है ना, h is equal to u square sin square theta upon 2g, है ना, t equal to 2u sin theta upon g, है ना, maximum horizontal range is 4 times height, if you see the two projectile from each other they will travel in a straight line, appears to be straight line but they actually are following parabolic path. What is, if you increase gravity by 1%, the range of projectile will decrease by 1%. If you increase gravity by 2%, the range of projectile will decrease by 2%. If you increase gravity by 10%, question is not valid, because projectile is that which flies under the influence of the gravity alone, and Earth is assumed to be a plane, viscous free, no viscosity, no air lag, no air friction, and gravity is assumed to be constant, so we cannot take variation of g more than 5%. How's it? F is equal to k q1 q2 upon r square, k equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square, epsilon naught 8.85 10 to minus 12 coulomb square meter Newton inverse. Am I right? कुछ समझ आया? This is called RAP. Maths physics RAP. CnH2n plus 12k ROH alcohol, ROR ether, RCHO aldehyde. Electron so long revolving in a particular orbit neither gain energy nor loses energy because it's said to be in the stationary energy level. When electron jumps from higher orbit to lower orbit, emits energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation, E equal to minus 2 pi me4 n square h square. curly to psi upon curly x square, curly to psi upon curly z square, है ना, 8 pi me minus v Schrodinger wave equation. Am I right? It is impossible to find both position and momentum of an microscopic particle with absolute certainty and accuracy. Delta x into delta p is greater than or equal to h upon 4 pi, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Am I right? How's it? Amazing. You don't like it? To clap. So, where I perform as a teacher, as a student, not as a teacher, as a student. Who is a teacher? Who's got a student in him? जैसे कैंगैरू के अंदर कंगारू होता है ना, तो जब हम क्लास में जाते हैं तो हमारे अंदर एक स्टूडेंट होता है. योर नेम इज, अगर वो मेरे अंदर का, जब मैं